put it on for a minute, heat up, wipe the condensation, put your water back, boil 5-6 minutes. Now, so here's what I've come up with. One can gave me a top, cut that out. That's about an inch, and that's a 2-inch model. Or the bottom cut out, and I used to go 1 3/4 inches. So then I have my juice can. I cut the tops off. I would get the top, and I would get a bottom. Now, so one fancy piece can, one liner, 1 3/4 inches, one top. Now watch this. As long as that's seated in there nice, I'm doing this with one hand. Look at that. Got a nice seal around the edge, got insulation. I've got my holes. I've got holes for screws. I put 4 screws in there. I'm ready to go. That's beautiful. Now what I found out, folks, fancy feast cans, Vienna sausage cans. I eat Vienna sausage and I drink my juice or tomato juice or V8. So I found out these look similar to the cat food can. Lo and behold, look at that. Same diameter lip, just deeper. So, same theory. First, I came up with this one. So this is going to burn. I can put all this fuel. Got a little insulation. Got my top. Now look at that. That's a nice burner, man. All soft. So what I did now. Took a full old juice can. Cut the top with the side can opener. So you got that bevel. That's a full can with top cut off. Drop it in your Vienna sausage. Now look at this, kiddies. I cut my bottom off. Here's my bottom. Now watch what happens here. This is so cool. I got it fit. One-handed, guys. And there you go. There is a CamZcan. Except I don't have my screws in yet. Now what I found out is I can also not only put my screws in top, I can put the screws in the bottom too. See that? And that's going to keep it off the ground even more. So, got a little circulation there, keep it off the cold ground. Got insulation. Man, this thing's going to burn a half hour. 4 or 5 ounces in there, because I can fill it up to there. You get great circulation. That's one whole can. One great seal in the lip, which is what you want. See, my holes are down in the bottom of the juice can. And then, man, what a seal I get with these. And there you go, folks. The CamZ Mag Cam. Trailblazer, Trail Burner. Okay. The CamZcan Trail Burner 66.